Hello everybody and welcome back to Dead Space, and that's a very happy looking guy with those tomatoes. We're into the unknown. Excuse me. And I don't know where to go or what to do. Oh, we need to go that way apparently. Oh, we could go to the store. Do we want to go to the store? Where's that captain guy gone? I can't remember. Let's see if there's anything in here that we want to buy or perhaps sell. Oh. We had a schematic. Inventory. We can sell that. Nothing else I want to buy at the moment. Let's go in here then.
I suppose I should be glad that Ham's alive, but I still don't trust him. I think he's hiding something about the marker.
Why would you say that? Ugh! Guessing that brown stuff's not too good. Oh god. How strange. I'm avoiding it like it's dangerous. It might not be. Yeah, let's do the bench. Ugh. Considering we've got another node to look at. Rig. Hit points. We can have more air. Good. Good to have more air. Air is useful. What's this stuff just spewing brown stuff everywhere anyway? That's quite noisy. I don't like how noisy it is. Right, so it's this way. Spewing red, brown stuff everywhere. Oh, good. Not very stealthy, are you, mister? Nice. Ugh. Ugh. Well, this just looks lovely. Nothing bad will happen in here. Oh, bloody babies! Ah, frickin' cold, eh? What are these things? This looks like a scene for a boss fight, doesn't it? I thought they were regenerators, that's why I ran. Ah! Where are you? Whatever. Are you in here? Bloody thing! What a lot of noise. Don't need him. Right, is this... Why does it sound like a frickin'... Excuse me. Why does it sound like a frickin'... monkey? Chimpanzee is in here. There are more noises! Hello? You're poisonous, are you? You're causing us doom, are you? And we kill you and you stop poisoning the floor, is that what's happening? Now where? Back that way. Okay, so these things are polluting the air. Oh. What were you carrying? Some sort of ammo? Plasma energy. We're alright for plasma energy. Good! Good, 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 good. Oh, we're going in there, are we?
Replacing nutrient vat.
Is that what we wanted to do? Let's grow some lovely tomatoes. Level 2, please. I think.
Warning. Toxics detected in atmosphere processing. A repair technician has been notified.
Oh. Right, okay, this is the right level. Good.
Make us whole again.
Why did you make me jump so hard? Where are you? There you are. Whoa! Jesus Christ, you bloody lunatics! It's back that way. That way's locked. Okay. My inventory's still full. Ooh. Now where? Right, I think we go back into the elevator. No, we don't. We go over there. Excuse me. To Refrigerator West. Refrigerator? No, that's where we sent that cryo thingy, right? I hope not. Yeah, I'll save. It's been a while, it feels. Well, it's been 10 minutes. Let's move on. The hell was that? Wah. What are these? Uh-oh. I guess those things getting close to you will kill you dead, right? Pick up all the items. Thank you. Right. Oh. Ah, full. Whoops. Don't spaz out now.
Entering zero gravity.
Oh, good. Ah! Ah! Where'd you go? I see ya. Didn't need any of that. Okay, let's go in there. Through the hole! There are some lovely spikes.